Hello, in this video, we will be comparing Miro and Asana, two tools that often work well together but serve different functions. So which one is better? For Miro, it is built for visual collaboration. It's ideal for brainstorming sessions, mind maps, product roadmaps, and early stage planning. You can draw flaws, create sticky notes, and visually structure project ideas in a free-form space. And on the other hand, Asana is a task management tool. It's structured and list based, helping teams manage daily work, set deadlines, track progress, and assign responsibilities. Use Miro so that you will be able to plan and map things out creatively with your team, and you will use Asana to manage those plans, track tasks, and ensure that everything gets done on time. They're even more powerful than when used together. Ideation in Miro and execution in Asana. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.